It's how those kids come off the bus in the morning and they bring with them, their automatic thought. They bring with them what happens when people get angry. They bring with them what they do when they get angry. When people are mean to me, I punch them in the face. That's my automatic thought. And if you call Dad, Dad will say, well, I told him if a kid gets mean to him, he should punch him in the face. So of course that's their automatic thought. My automatic thought is that when you tailgate me, I slam on the brakes and cause an accident. Because that's my job. My job isn't to consider that maybe I should just let you go around me and have a nice day. Right? That's not ingrained in me. That's not what my dad did. So my automatic thought about the kid who comes up and swears at me, tells me where to go, what route to take my mother with me. What's my thought about that kid? My automatic thought about the kid that I say, hey guys, make sure you're walking down the hall. And they say, yeah, why don't you shut up? Don't we work with those little kids? You say to them, okay, be responsible. I am being responsible, leave me alone. My automatic thought about that kid is what? What do you say? Anybody? Are you kidding? What's going on with this kid? Do you know who you're talking to? You can't talk to me like that. And they just did. Because we have kids who lack emotional coping skills, but we also lack emotional coping skills when someone does something to us or in front of us. So we've got to always remember to never take anything personally. One thing kids know, that as soon as you go off and lose it, what do they know? That they gotcha. And now they can reel you in. And that's the bait that they throw out there. And oftentimes it becomes a game.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.